Okay guys, so tingnan natin dito kasi sabi ng asawa ko natunaw daw yung malaking trash can namin na brown. Ay, totoo nga pala guys. Hala, natunaw siya. Ito kasi yung mga paputok kagabi. Tapos hindi namin alam na mainit pa siya. Tapos natunaw. So this is like a trash can last night.
What?
And it melted out. That's what my husband said. So it was crazy. So if you're doing like putting it on one pile, so it's still hot, so it possibly could melt.
Yeah, my husband will shoot it with the hose.
Oh.
And put it in the trash can. Well, that's crazy.
It is. It's crazy. Oh. Oh my God. Ewan ko kung paano to siya tanggalin. Oh. Tunaw na tunaw talaga. Siguro ko kung naabot dito sa kotse, nasunog pa yung kotse guys. Nasunog pa yung kotse. Grabe. Kuan siya talaga oh. Ewan ko matatanggal pa to. Yikes. Kakatakot pala. So next time, alam na natin. Alam na natin. Iwas-iwas tayo sa sunog. Let's all be careful.